Hello, welcome to CCD. CCD is an organization that focuses in bringing all social groups together to discuss and analyze ongoing peace and reconciliation process in Somalia. The center established a forum in which provide neutral space to the community members who are willing to contribute to generation of ideas that can result to the solutions of the current Somalia problems. We have our YouTube page, we have Facebook page. Kindly subscribe on the YouTube. You go log into YouTube, search for CCD Somalia, which stands for Center for Community Dialogue. Like you to promote, like, subscribe, like us on Facebook and share to your friends. And we'd really appreciate as we try to work and strive towards getting peace in Somalia.